welcome to my channel, Jacob and Dad. Hopefully this is not the first time for you to visit. Hopefully you're subscribed. If you're not, you know what to do. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. You can give us a like or a subscribe if you want. If you feel really good about this video, you can subscribe and you can leave a comment. All right, if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I'm coming to you from St. Paul, Minnesota. It's called Twin Cities, Minneapolis, St. Paul. Just driving here. Looks like it's gonna rain. It's been cloudy, but it's all good. So join me, let's go for a short drive here. You can see the road sign, lane closed. Summer in Minnesota, this is what we go through. That's when they do road construction or streets, highways, whatever. Because in winter, you can be repairing roads in winter or when it's cold. Just showing you around the neighborhood here. I have a pizza joint here to my left. I've never been there. Don't remember the name, it's covered by the tree.